boys and girls, today we are going to count by twos using frog eyes to help us. And I'll read the directions before we get started. Directions. Use the frog eyes to count by twos. How many frog eyes are there in each group of frogs? Use the number line to help you. So I have a number line down here to help you count by twos. And I have one frog sitting on top of each one of the numbers because my frogs each have 2 eyes. Now I could count my frog eyes by ones, but that would take me very long. And a faster way to count frog eyes or anything by twos is to count by twos rather than by ones. So let me show you how to do this, and then you're going to go ahead and take your turn. And don't forget to share with me. Down here you have this button that you can share your work with me. So I know the app that I'm giving you. I know what's on the page, so you don't have to worry about taking your frogs out of this out of each one of these blocks, because you're going to use this number line to help you. So first, before we get started, let's count by twos to 20. Are you ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay, now that you practiced counting by twos all the way to 20, let's work together to figure out how many frog eyes are in each one of these sets. So I have 1, 2, 3 frog eyes here. Now I could sit here, or I have 3 frogs here, and each one of these frogs have 2 eyes. I could sit here and I could count each eye one by one, or I could count my frog eyes by 2 and be done much quicker. So let me show you how you're going to use your number line to help you. So each one of your frogs is going to hop on down here and sit on top of the frogs that are down here. So let me see, we have 3 frogs, so we are going to count our frog eyes by twos as we bring them down. So we have 2, 4, 6. So I have 6 frog eyes in my first set. So I'm going to click here, get my calculator tool, and I'm just going to put a 6 here. And I am done. So now I have my next group of frogs, and as I pull my frogs down, I am going to count by twos. So count with me. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I have 10 frog eyes in my second group. So I'll click, get my calculator tool, type in a 10, and push done. So now let's look at this set of frogs. Let's count these frog eyes by twos. Are you ready? We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. We have 14 frog eyes in that group. That's a lot. So let's get our calculator tool and write the number 14. And if you forget how to write the number 14, you're just going to look right here. 1 and a 4. All right, now we have one more group left. Are you ready? Count with me. 2, 4, 6, 8. I have 8 frog eyes in this box. So I'm going to click, get my calculator tool, and I'm just going to type in an 8, and I'm going to be all done. And then if I was you, I'm going to click this link, and I'm going to wait for this link to pop up, and I'm going to click copy, and I'm going to put it in the submit assignments folder for me to see. So I hope you share your work with me. I would love to see it. Goodbye now.